So I'm very much allergic to peanuts, and especially those peanut M&Ms over there. What was the worst peanut event in my life? It would probably have to be when I was much younger. I used to go camping very often with my grandparents. And one time we went to the island of Assateague. I think that's off Maryland, yeah. And we were out in the middle of nowhere pretty much. There's no one around, just us and the camper. And my grandfather offered me a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, which I actually took a bite of and started to chew before I realized I'm holding a sandwich of death right now. So I promptly threw it out and washed my mouth out, but I survived, so nothing happened.
How has tennis influenced my life? Well, I learned through tennis that the world is round because the balls are round and everything relates to tennis in some way, shape, or form. So I had to conclude that. And also the way the earth spins, I learned was like a tennis ball. And suddenly science made so much more sense because that's how a tennis ball goes, back and forth, round and round. So, yeah, that's about it.
Well, today the weather had gusty and blustery weather, so said those weather women, and the wind wall was pushing all the balls in the opposite direction, so it was a difficult thing to do, and we don't really get to learn how to serve that well in wind, so it's a good learning experience, and we'll most likely win with this new insight. Yeah, take your pants off, guys.
The weather, it wasn't that cold if there was no wind factor, but
his hands are frozen.
There was a huge wind factor today, and that really screwed with everyone's games on both teams and whatnot. Thank you.
You guys won your game?
Our first set went a little bit better. We lost 6-1. This match, we might have played overall a little better. All the games were close. We went into deuces, 40-30, but in the end we messed up on all of them, so we lost 6-0. But we did improve with our net play a little, I think, and it messed up them because they were good at lobbing, and they weren't very good at net playing, and we used them against them for a little while, but it went, so we'll have to do better next time, do it.